A great way to make your readers feel like you're talking specifically to them is to use personalized images. Those are images with some sort of information about the individual you're sending to right in the image. I'm going to show you how to do that using a tool called Nifty Images that integrates with Aweber. I'm going to show you how to do that using a tool called Nifty Images. I'm in my Nifty Images account. I'm going to create a new image. And I'm going to use the personalized image because I just want to insert some personalized text on top of an image. But they have all sorts of other cool things you can do too. I have an image of a book cover that I'm going to be using for this example. So I just drag and drop it. Now here's my book, and I'm going to pull in a merge tag layer. I'm going to use the name merge tag because I want to put by the subscriber's name on this book. So here you can see, here's my text. I need to size this down quite a bit. So we're going to go to the font options, and we'll do like 16. I'll move it down here. Now let's go back to the merge block text, and I want it to read by name. So if I have the name of my subscribers, if I captured that name, if I gathered that name when they signed up, they're going to get this book that says by their name. And if I don't have their name, I want to set a fallback. So I can just say by you. Now it's simple as that. I can just hit save. We'll call this book cover. And then that's going to give me an image tag that I can use. But all I need is this section from within the source. So I'm going to copy that and then go over to Aweber. I'm going to create a new message. I'm going to, once this loads up, I'm going to pull an image onto my canvas, separate it a little bit from my text. And I'm going to paste that URL that I copied from Nifty Images over into my image. Now you see, here's my book, and I need to replace this merge tag because whatever's here is going to show on the book. So I could write Chris, and it'll show Chris specifically. And if I leave it blank, it's just going to show you, like I mentioned. So we're going to use a personalization variable in that merge tag. So we'll click on personalize. This is all sorts of information that I can use that I have gathered from my subscribers. I'm going to use their full name. So I'm going to copy, or cut in this case, and then put that right at the end of this image URL. Name equals, see bracket, exclamation point, name underscore fix, and then bracket. And for each subscriber, it's going to show that variable. If I have their full name, it's going to put it there. And if I don't, it's going to fall back. And I said to test of this already. Let's see how it turned out. Great. So here I did have my name. So it shows by Chris Vasquez. And in this case, I didn't have a name, and it shows by you. So that's a pretty magical, interesting experience, and I hope you make something really cool with it. If you do, please share it with our CS team or with Aweber on Twitter or in our Facebook community. Have a great day and make somebody's life better.